What's going on, guys? Evan Sanders coming out with another video today. And today we're going to be doing a review on the Yeezy Boost 350 V2s Oreo edition. It's the last shoe that came out in 2016 in December. And let's just get started right into this. So this is what the box looks like. It's 350 right here on the top of the box. And as you move to the sides, it says Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas. Adidas.com/Kanye. Boost right there. And the other side. So I got a 10.5. And it says C black, C white, C black. And then the different languages and originals. Just want to let you guys know that I'm actually a size 10. I got a 10.5 because the shoe fits very snug. So I got a half size up so I could have more room for my toe. That's just a personal preference though. If you like tight feeling shoes, then I would definitely go true to size. But I bought a half size up just in case if it was too tight on me. So I'm just gonna open up the box for you. There's no shoes in here. I already opened them up. That slides right out. And the first thing that I noticed when I opened the box is this tannish wrapping paper kind of thing. When you open the box, you're gonna see this tan wrapping paper like material, and it feels a lot like silky and very smooth. It's not rough like actual like the material that you see in like the actual shoe where you take out this like rough tissue paper like substance. This one's very smooth and silky. So that's like one of the things you need to point out when you open the shoes is make sure that the wrapping paper is a tan color and silky and smooth. If you don't notice that, then you probably picked up some fakes. Okay, here are the shoes. Turn it around for you guys. So yeah, these are the Oreo edition black and white. And wow, they are a nice finish. My first initial reaction to the shoes though were, wow, these are actually not as white as I thought it would be. The white that they have on these shoes are like an off-white. It's more of like a gray in person. It's not really as what you see on the computer where it looks pure white and a true white. This is like an off-white. This is like gray, or it looks like someone smeared dirt and mixed it together with white and looks kind of grayish, darkish white. So that was like, wow, I had no idea. Going on to the right shoe, you have the mirrored sply. And on the left shoe, it is just the regular sply. So here are a few tips that you need to look out for when buying Yeezys. Is that with the 10.5 edition, you're gonna notice that the S is on the edge of this line right here. All 10.5s will have the S on this edge. So if you buy a 10.5 or let's say a 10, and this S isn't on the edge of this line, they are most likely replicas. Same with this side, the S is on the edge of this line, and that is an indicator that these are real. Moving on to the stripe. Everyone always has all these remedies and myths about the stripes. But the real ones, the stripe will go more towards the stitch right here and end at this toe right here. So you just got to be careful and make sure that this actually meets up with the stitch and towards the toe box. Same with the right shoe. So you got to make sure that this stripe is hitting towards this little stitch towards the toe box. And also, if you can look at the toe box, it's more of like a grayish, smoky color. Same with this one. The real ones have this kind of color, so if you see anything else that isn't smoky gray, then you bought replicas. Moving on to the back of the shoe. Honestly, the only thing I would say with the back of the shoe is make sure that the shoe or one of the shoes has the bump like this one on the back of the left shoe that's a very good sign. So you just want to make sure about these stitches over here and make sure that it's very bumpy, because most fakes will just have a flat surface. These are all bumpy, so that's a good sign. The laces are actually a lot lighter, and the actual top of the shoelace is a really long black cover right here. So if it's long and it's black, they're most likely real, because that's what they look like. Going to the inside of the shoe, it says Adidas Yeezy on the left shoe. And if you go to the right shoe, it's upside down. I'll take the insole out, because the insole is very important. It's a very important aspect of the legit check. So this is what the insole looks like. Not rough, very smooth, very bendable, flexible. If that's very bendable and flexible, that's a very good sign. So it says right here 10 to the 11. And the inside of the shoe. That's what the inside looks like. I know you guys can't really see, but that's what the inside looks like. Has like the little dots. You also see the 3 stripes right here. 3 gray stripes. And on the other shoe, you also see the 3 gray stripes. This part right here is very firm. If it's not firm and it's very flexible, they're most likely not real, because the authentic ones are very firm and very durable. So as you see, as I'm flicking this, it's maintaining its shape. Same with this, with the right shoe, it's maintaining its shape. So that's one thing that you want to test out when you get these, is see how firm and durable these are. And if they are, then that's a good sign. Let's go to the bottom of the shoe. Here, you got the boost right here, and you got the material. It's actually very smooth. The fakes will have a rough material. This is very smooth, very jelly. And you have the Adidas logo right here, and the smoky toe box. But honestly, that's really all I could really say about these shoes. In general, these shoes are very snug and comfortable. But as I said in the beginning, if you have like a wide foot, and having a wide foot, you guys all know that it's very hard to try on shoes that are your size, because some shoes run narrow, some shoes run wide, and with this shoe, it fits very tight. So let's say you're a 10. I would definitely recommend going a half size up, or maybe a size up, just to have more comfortability. I mean, if you want to do true to size, that's also a good plan that you can do. But I'm just going to warn you guys that they fit very tight and snug. So that's why I went to a 10.5. And honestly, I've had no complaints. If anything, if you were to get true to size and it was very tight on you, I would definitely recommend to take the insole out, so you would have more room for your toe area. It's more just tight in this area right here on the sides, and it has a really long back heel. But overall, it's a very comfortable shoe. It actually reminds me of the slippers that you wear in the ocean, where if you want to go in the water, you wear those slippers. That's exactly what it feels like. It's a very comfortable fit for me, and I do honestly recommend getting a pair for anyone that's actually interested. I know the resale prices can be very expensive, anywhere from $500 to $800, but with me, I had no problem spending that money, because I'd rather have real than fakes. And to be honest, I'm very satisfied that I got these, because they look beautiful. Very nice, very comfortable. Adidas did a very good job. Kanye did a very good job with these shoes. Overall, I give this shoe like a 9.5 out of 10. One of the most comfortable pairs of shoes I've ever owned. And hopefully the resale price will go down for you guys, for anyone that's interested in buying them. But I mean, that's just how it is right now.
If you guys thought this was a helpful video, please drop a like. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, drop a comment in the comment section below. If you also want to see more Yeezy review videos, please click on the subscribe button because I will be definitely doing more of these in the future when the 2017 release hits. And this is your boy Devin Standish. Peace out.